Jimin, Yoongi, uh, it, it's morning. Yoongi harshly bite on his neck. Don't interrupt me, Jimin, but it's already morning. Yoongi, so, Jimin, aren't you tired? Yoongi, I haven't started yet. Jimin, but I'm tired. Please leave me. Yoongi, shut up. It's been 3 years since you are with me, but still you are so sensitive. Such a pathetic boy. I haven't gone rough and you already started crying. Jimin, please. Yoongi left him. Go. Yoongi left him and went to washroom. Jimin sighed in relief to see Yoongi went to washroom. Finally he can sleep a little bit, but he was so wrong. Soon Yoongi returned back and saw Jimin was laying there while closing his eyes. Jimin started wiggling. Yoongi, where are you taking me? Leave me! Yoongi, shh, don't make noise. I don't want any noise in this early morning. Jimin, at least let me take something to cover myself. Yoongi, no need. There is nothing to hide anything. Leave your shyness. He brought him to the washroom and dropped him in a big jacuzzi. He already prepared a relaxing bath for him. After dropping him in the washroom, he again went to his room and changed the bedsheet, wore his clothes and unlocked the door, then lay down on the bed like a dead man and slept. After a few minutes, a cute little boy came there while closing his eyes and climbed on the bed and slept peacefully beside Yoongi. Time skipped after half an hour. After half an hour, Jimin came from the washroom in bathrobe and saw their 3 years old son, Cookie, who was sleeping peacefully next to Yoongi. A big smile crept on his lips. He was looking at both of them with a smiley face and adorable eyes, then said, Jimin, just look at these two. How they are sleeping. Perfect dad and son duo. Cookie again slept beside him, thinking as me, my poor son, I wish this would be reality. Yoongi let him come closer to himself. He loves him. Whatever happened, what was in poor soul's fault in it? He didn't even know anything about that. Once Yoongi woke up, he again started hating him. Yoongi, can't you understand our love for you? Can't you understand what happened in past wasn't our fault? We aren't responsible with that incident. I know you also know the truth but don't want to accept it. For how long will you keep taking revenge from us like this? Why aren't you ready to accept us? Why, Yoongi? Why? He silently wiped his tears and wore his clothes, then took the cookie from himself and brought the room. Time skipped after a few hours. Jimin was trying to feed Cookie his breakfast and he was running in the living room here and there. Jimin was running behind him. Yoongi was eating his breakfast in the dining room. He didn't want to see Jimin and Cookie's face. Jimin, while chasing him, Cookie, stop running and eat your breakfast. Appa has lots of work to do. Cookie, while running, Cookie, no food. Ew, veggies. Jimin, veggies aren't ew. Veggies meat are Cookie super strong. Cook, no, Cookie strong. Jimin, Cookie. Cook, Appa, catch Cookie, hee hee, said while running. Jimin was running behind him. Suddenly, Yoongi pulled him to himself and stuffed food in his mouth. Cook was Yoongi and hid himself behind the couch while closing his eyes. He scared from him a lot. Yoongi angrily shouts, you made this food for me? Weren't you trying to take my life? Jimin, teary eyes, no. Yoongi stuffed more food in his mouth. Have all these things. You have to finish everything. Jimin, water. Yoongi, no water. Finish everything. You made this food for me. Now have taste your food. Yoongi was stuffing food in his mouth and choking him badly. Jimin couldn't able to eat the food because it was too spicy. He accidentally poured the chili sauce in place of soya sauce. Jimin can't eat spicy food, not even a little bit spicy. Tears started flowing from his eyes, which didn't affect Yoongi. He was stuffing the food on his mouth and didn't let him time to breathe. Yoongi wasn't in any mood of mercy. He fed him whole food, then left his arm. Jimin fell on the floor. Yoongi angrily looked at him. If you can't cook, then don't need to do an experiment on me. First learn how to cook, then do anything. Jimin, Yoongi, I don't have time to hear your useless excuse. Angrily left from there. Yoongi angrily left from there, leaving crying Miss Jimin. His mouth and throat was burning. When Yoongi didn't hear Yoongi's voice, he slowly peeked through the couch and saw Jimin was crying mess. He quickly went to somewhere and brought his lollipop and banana milk and went to Jimin. Cook showed his lollipop in Jimin's mouth and hugged him tightly. It's sweet, Appa, no cry. Patted his back. Jimin quickly hugged him tightly. I. Cook stopped him. Appa, no talk. Water. Made him drink water. Cookie, big boy. Appa, no cry. Kissed on his forehead. Cookie was trying his best to calm down Jimin and remove the spiciness from his mouth. He gave him banana milk to drink and cleaned his face with the help of tissue paper. After a few minutes, Jimin became normal. Time skipped after a few days. Yoongi was sitting in the poolside and drinking. He was drinking since the evening after the coming back to home. He was drinking non-stoppable without caring about anything. Jimin went to him and said, Jimin snatched the glass. Yoongi, stop it now. You are drinking since the evening. It's not good for your health. Yoongi grabbed the bottle. Go from here. Jimin snatched the bottle. I'm not going anywhere. You are coming to me. Yoongi looked at him and chuckled. Do you think you can order me? Jimin, yes, I can. You drink enough. Now you can't drink more. Let's go to room. Yoongi smirked. Room? Do you know what will happen to you if I go to room? Jimin gulped hard. Yes, I know. Yoongi harshly pulled his hairs. Then also you are this much desperate, Lift his hair. Go from here. I'm not in any mood. Jimin, please Yoongi, stop drinking. Yoongi, do you know what date is today? Jimin, yes, I know. Yoongi made him sit on his lap and harshly pulled his hairs. Because of you, everything happened, and you still have that much audacity to come in front of me. Don't you scared from me? Because of you, I lost my everything. Jimin, how long will you keep blaming me for this accident? For God's sake, please try to understand that it was just an accident. I didn't do anything intentionally. Yoongi, because of you, I lost my parents. You are the main culprit. They lost their life while saving you. Jimin, I know I gave you the biggest wound which can never heal, but I didn't do anything intentionally. Yoongi, it was all your fault. If you hadn't came in front of my dad's car, then today they both are here with me. You snatched my all the happiness from me. You snatched my everything. Neither I can forget this nor let you forget. Jimin, then kill me and take your revenge. If by killing me you can get back your parents, then kill me right now. Pulled out his and pointed on his forehead. Yoongi darkly chuckled and traced on his face, then showed on his mouth. If I want to kill you, then I would have done this at that day. You don't deserve this much easy death. I will make your life hell. You will beg for your death, but I won't let you die. You have to suffer with me lifelong. Poured alcohol bottle on him. I will never let you forget the sin you have done. Took him to his room. Arthur's point of view, Yoongi is a mafia. 3 years ago, his mom and dad went on a long drive. His dad was a mafia too. After so many days, he got some alone time with his wife. They were enjoying the day with each other. Jimin was passing by there. He was wearing a headphone and lost in his own world. Yoongi's dad blew the horn, but he didn't hear. He didn't try to put the brakes, but realized the brakes were failed. By saving his life, he turned the car to other side and met with oil tanker. His car blasted on the spot. When Yoongi got to know about this incident, he was fuming in anger. He lost his parents, wasn't letting him breathe. He found Jimin and forcefully married to him. He was an orphan. Yoongi blamed Jimin for his parents' death and started torturing him. Jimin was also blaming himself for that incident. After few days, he found out that it was the conspiracy against his dad. He found out the person and killed him, and his wife couldn't bear the pain and died too. They both had few months old kid who didn't know anything about this. Jimin was with Yoongi. He saw that kid was crying while seeing his parents' lifeless body. He quickly took him and decided to raise him, but Yoongi didn't agree with him. He wanted to kill him too out of anger, but couldn't do. At last, let Jimin to raise him, but only one condition, that he will never come in front of him. That's why Yoongi hates Jimin and Cookie both. Is he really hate them? Time skipped after some days. Cookie was playing with his ball in the living room. He was very happy because today Jimin was taking him in garden to play. Cook shouts, "Appa, let's go! Cookie ready!" Jimin, "Appa is also ready. Let's go." Yoongi, "Where both of you are going?" Cook happily showed him his ball. "Cookie, play!" Hide himself behind Jimin after seeing Yoongi's cold face. Jimin, "We are going to garden. Cookie wanna play outside, so..." Yoongi, "Come, let me drop you too. I'm also going there." Left. Yoongi dropped him at private club's garden. He came here for a meeting. He wanted to attend his meeting. Jimin was sitting on the grass and watching Cookie, who was happily playing with ball and running behind him. Yoongi was watching both of them through the glass window and don't know why smiling too. Yoongi coldly, "Start the meeting," said while looking at Ji-Cook. Mr. Wong started the meeting. "Mr. Min, what's your opinion on this? We should do this collaboration or not?" Yoongi was busy in admiring Ji-Cook. He didn't hear anything. He was so lost on Ji-Cook's smile. He never saw both of them this much happy, or you can say he never paid attention on them. Mr. Wong, "Mr. Min, where did you lost?" Yoongi looked at him. "Sorry, I was just zooming out. Repeat everything once more." Mr. Wong repeated everything once again, and this time Yoongi was listening everything. He was fully focused on the meeting. Meeting went well, but out of nowhere, Jin said to Jin, while looking outside, Junie, I want a happy family like that. See how that couple was romancing and their cute son was playing around him. June looked at where Jin pointed his finger. Such a nice couple. One day, of course, we will do the same. They both purposely started talking about that couple. Namjin are Yoongi's partners. They both are happily married and know about Yunmin and Cookie. Hearing their talks, Yoongi also looked outside and shocked to see Jimin. He was back facing them and an unknown boy was kissing him, by which angle they all saw it was looking like they both were kissing. Yoongi became furious to see that. He angrily went to Jimin. Yoongi angrily pushed it, boy. What are you doing? Jimin looked at him. Hobie, are you alright? Yoongi grabbed his arm and pulled him to himself. Why are you concerned about him? What are you doing with him? Said while grinding his teeth. Hobie, chill dude. Why did you push me? I was only helping him. Something went into his eyes and I was only removing it. Looked at Jimin. Minnie, are you alright, baby? Yoongi widened his eyes. Minnie? Baby? Looked at Jimin. What's this? Who is he? Do you know him? Why is he talking like this? Is he your lover? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, I just met him. Cook tucked Yoongi's shirt's bow. Tata, please no hurt, Appa, said with teary eyes. Don't know why Yoongi's heart clenched to hear this. Cook's teary eyes were begging to not hurt his Appa, but why did he think Yoongi will hurt Jimin? He immediately left Jimin's arm. Hobie, let me introduce myself. I am Jung Ho Shuk, owner of this private club. We met first time. We aren't lovers, but I must say, Minnie, you are very beautiful person I have ever met. Your smile is so beautiful. When your beautiful hair stands fell on your beautiful face, something happened in my heart. You're this soft, moochy like cheeks. Your plumpy lips. Yoongi grabbed his collar. Mind your language and get lost before I break your bones. Hobie, calm down, dude. Minnie, I think your brother didn't like. Why don't you come to my room? I will elaborate your beauty. Tried to touch his hand. Yoongi twisted his hand. I am not his brother. I am his husband. How dare you to say this to my husband in front of my eyes? Hobie widened his eyes. What husband? How can this beautiful thing yours? By looking at you, I can definitely say that you aren't romantic at all. That's why there is sadness in my Minnie's beautiful eyes. Yoongi angrily looked at him. He isn't anything. He's my husband. Looked at Jimin. Jimin, are you sad? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No. Hobie, if you will ask like this, then definitely he will say no. Minnie, baby, give him divorce and marry to me. I promise I will give you the happiness which you deserve. And don't worry about Cookie. I will accept him too. We three will happily live together. Yoongi, how dare you to propose my husband? Pulled Jimin closer to himself and kissed on his forehead. He's my husband. Cook, Dada. Hobie and Yoongi together. Yes, Cookie. Yoongi, annoyed face. He's calling me. I'm his dada. Hobie, you were his dada. Now I'm his dada. Tried to touch Cookie, but Yoongi pushed him. Hobie, such a violent guy you are. Minnie, he isn't good for you. Let's do wedding. Pulled Jimin to himself. Yoongi quickly pulled Jimin to himself back. He is only mine. Yoongi pulled him in a passionate kiss, which Jimin replied to. Cookie quickly covered his eyes by his hands. Hobie tried to separate them, but Yoongi pushed him. He quickly picked him in his arms and started, without breaking his kiss, and walking to his car. Cookie was following them, but June quickly picked him in his arms. Cook shouts, Dada! Appa! Cookie left! June, Cookie, let Dada and Appa enjoy. Jin shouts, Go and enjoy, Cookie is with us. Yoongi showed his thumbs up. Hobie shouts, Hey, where are you taking my future husband? Leave him, you violent man. You don't deserve him. Jin, shut up, Hobie. Stop doing overacting. Hobie, Yang, he took away my future husband. June, stop dreaming, Hoba. He can't be your husband in any life. He's only Yoongi's. Hobie, yeah, I know that. By the way, Jin Hyang, you said he didn't love Jimin, but according to me, he madly loved him. Jin, he loved him but never had any competition. Who can realize his love for Jimin? That's why I called you here. Cook, Dada, Appa, gone. June looked at him. Don't worry, Cookie. Let's go home. Titi will be waiting for us. Meanwhile, with Yunmin, they both reached at home. Yoongi dropped him on the couch and kneeled down in front of him by holding his hand. Yoongi, while holding his hand, Jimin, I want some answers from you. Be honest. Yoongi looked into his eyes. I will. Yoongi, you want a divorce? Jimin, shocked to hear this. Yoongi, if you have this thought, then forget about this. I will never give you divorce. You are my that obsession which I can't think to share with anyone. I can't share your single glance to anyone. You are only mine, even your shadow too. You have to live with me. You are only mine. Set this in your mind. Jimin thought to play with him, but you didn't. You said, I am nothing for you. Then why are you getting affected by Hobie's presence? Yoongi quickly sat on the couch and pulled Jimin on his lap. Do I need to remind you whom you belong? Said while rubbing his nose in Jimin's neck. And please feather kissing on made him name Jimin softly. Yoongi. Yoongi, see, your body knows whom it belongs. Yoongi, and what about my soul? Yoongi stopped and looked into his eyes. Your body and soul, everything is only mine. Just look into your eyes. It is screaming that how much you love me. Jimin, how do you know? Yoongi, I am a mafia. I heard your every complaints which you do to me when I was sleeping. I heard everything when you hugged me tightly and expressed your love to me. Do you think I don't know Cookie Didi slept while hugging me tightly? Do you think I opened the door of our room without any reason? Jimin, shocked to hear this. That means you? Yoongi, yes, I was awakened all the time. I know I did so wrong to you, which you can't forget. I don't want your forgiveness this easily. Punish me, but you aren't allowed to leave me. I can't live without you and Cookie. Now decide my punishment. He started his collarbone. Jimin tilted his head to give him more access. I can give you any punishment, right? Yoongi, Jimin, then no touching for 1 month. You have to take me and Cookie for outings. You have to love us. And yeah, you didn't apologize to me. Yoongi, I accept your every punishment, but don't you think 1 month without touching you is too much cruelty? Jimin, no, I don't think so. Yoongi smirked. You can't live without my touch too. I think 2 weeks are enough. Jimin, thanks for 2 minutes. Okay, done. But what about my apology? Yoongi took him in his arms and started walking towards their room. I will properly apologize to you. Don't worry, I won't let you do any complaint left. Sometimes jealousy is important to realize your love. If there is no competitor, then there is no fun. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I cut down the cruelty part. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I know you must be thinking how easily Jimin forgave Yoongi, right? Yoongi lost his parents, his anger was right. Somewhere Jimin was also blaming himself for their death. Yeah, Yoongi didn't do right, but now he is intended to fix everything and do a fresh start. I think it's good, isn't it? Yesterday we completed 1 year of this channel. Thank you so much for being the part of my family. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.